Guys, welcome to another video. Quickly, on this particular video I'll be unveiling a secret, okay? So stay with me till the very end. All right, just a quick one. This is the Telegram channel where you come into when you're trying to download a particular data set, and obviously you can see that these are the data sets in the Telegram channel. All right, so they'll take you. Now, one nice thing about the way Telegram did is that you can get links for a particular post, right? If I just want to share this only, I can maybe right click and then say copy post link. All right, so if I copy it, I can send to anyone, I can share with anyone at all. And if I scroll up a bit, I think there should be another. All right, see, this is another data set, this is another data set. So all the data sets are right here. If you have clicked on any of the data or of the link, if you have clicked on any of the link before, it would have probably brought you into this place and you would have probably downloaded the data sets. Okay, so yeah, to the unveiling. Like I said, I care much about your journey and how you learn the things you do. It is not a place where you just learn passively and move on. So are you the person who is already into data, or you're just getting into data, or you've been there for a while, or you're struggling, or you've learned already but there is no progression for you? This is the right place for you, okay? Because in this community, that is what I'll call it, it's a community. In this community, you'll be meeting with other data enthusiasts, data analysts, data professionals, right? Where you can do things together, where you can keep the passion up, right? So that you don't just wave a goodbye to your analytical career, okay? So let me start by explaining what all of these channels you're seeing here, what they mean and what is in there, and then I tell you all the things you get going forward from this channel. All right, quick one. This particular one, which is the Data Analytics Hub, and this is where if you click on a particular link in the in the YouTube video, it will bring you here. Then you can download the data set to your you can download the data set to your device, okay? And for a few of you, you probably have been here, you downloaded the data set and you of course continued with what you're doing. But I would advise that you subscribe to the Telegram channel, okay? So that when there is a new data set, you see it, you get to see it, you do all of those things. But that's not the point for now. Like I said, I'll still unveil the things that come, or the things you start getting in the channel, okay? So for this particular one, let's say for example, there's a link to a video, just like maybe this, for example. All right, and you can see that you can make a comment, right? If you look at this as well, let me scroll down. You can leave a comment, okay? So you can leave a comment to a particular video, and when you do that, others can like your comment. So that means you can share your thoughts about the video as well, okay? You can share your thought about the video as well, and others can also like or agree with you, or discuss something about that particular video or file or posts. Yeah, post is more general word that you about your comment on that particular post, okay? Now right here is the comment section. Now obviously you can see that you will not be able to see what this person has commented or who this person is, okay? But when you join the channel, you will be able to see it. If I click on the arrow forward now, it should bring you to this place, and this is the comment section, or should I say a chat or comment group for this particular channel. Okay, that's the way Telegram designed it. So I won't be clicking it, by the way, so that you don't because there are people there, real people. Don't review the names and all of that, so I won't be clicking this, and I'll also not be clicking this as well. I won't. So but this is where you can leave a comment Or for example, let's say this video was uploaded, the link was posted there, but there was no file attached to it, and there was supposed to be a file. You can leave a comment here directly, and then I think the file is missing or something, and then it will be uploaded. Or probably use other question in one of the videos, and yeah, well, preferably all of those will be better if you just post them on the YouTube channel itself, on the YouTube video, the comment section of the YouTube video, which I'll be addressing in another video shortly. And you can come here, you can post it, and it will be what attended to. And finally, let's say for example you did something, you were given an exercise to do, and of course you did it. You're not meant to keep it to yourself. Okay, there is a community where you can share your work. You don't know where the opportunity comes from. There's a community. This is a community where you can share your work, share with more other data enthusiasts, data professional, data analysts, and all. Right? You can share the work. For example, let's say there was a project you were meant to do, or there was an exercise, there was a challenge given to you in one of the videos on the YouTube channel, or in one of the YouTube videos. You can post now. For example, of course, the links will be posted there, so you can comment your work. You can share your work directly under that video. So when others see your work, they are also is it moved, or I don't know what the right word is, to also do this. They share, and then you start conversing, about it. You share your opinion. Oh, why? Okay, I think you can make this better. You can make this better, of course. And that is how you keep your passion for the journey lit. Okay, very important thing to do. So do not forget that this comment section is attached to the channel. So if you see anything here directly, you can either react, thumbs up, like, whatever it is, and then using the comment section, you can put whatever it is you want to put in the channel. Maybe you can submit your work, maybe a screenshot, maybe a file, whatever it is, you can do that as well. Or yeah, there will still be videos on how to maybe share your work more publicly. So when you share your work publicly, for example, you can also share the link directly to the place, so they can check out your work, they see what you're doing, and then you keep going and building like that. Okay, and yeah, that's that about the first two channels, on the one channel and the group. Now this is another group, and in this group is more like, you can see the word, it says connect. So here is where a topic can be spiked. Is it spiked or hike, or whatever it is? A topic can be created, an exciting topic, and then you get to share your thoughts about it. Or for example, AI in data analytics, what do you think? And then you share your thoughts. Oh, with this, people learn from you. You get to interact with fellow minds and fellow data enthusiasts, professionals, scientists, analysts, and all. Right? You get to interact with them. They hear your opinion. You listen to theirs. You learn both ways. So this is more of an open group where you can, a topic is lit by the admin, and then you get to discuss it. You get to discuss it. And yes, this is the community. Don't let me say how it's just a single community, but with different aspect of it. So this is the community where you can stay focused, stay encouraged, still lit, still passionate about your journey. So do well to share. I don't know if I mentioned it, that you can share a particular post, so you can share to invite others as well. You can share, or you can also click here and click on channel info, copy the link, share with others, and the more people you have, the more exciting it becomes. So share with your friends. If you're getting value from it, do well to share with them. And yes, let me do the unveiling, which is the last thing I want to talk about. What are the things you get in this channel? Apart from this place where a topic can be brought up and then you discuss, here you can comment to a particular thing that is posted. But in this particular place, what are the things you will get? The first thing is, of course, dataset to videos posted on YouTube, and of course the links to YouTube videos. So you'll be getting the links to YouTube videos here, of each video as it comes. It can be structured for your learning journey. So everything might not just be dumped here, so it might be structured sequentially. Okay, after this you should go for this, after this you go for this. Okay, so it will be posted here, and the data set along with it. What else are you getting? Of course, you will be getting tasks or projects will start rolling out. Okay, tasks or project will start rolling out, and from there you can get something to do. Okay, you're done learning, you've learned data analysis already, but you need projects, or you've seen the videos, you want to start doing. Many projects will start rolling out. So you really want to keep your eyes on the channel, on this channel. You want to subscribe, keep your eyes on this channel, and make sure you're attentive. Do not mute it, make sure it's unmuted so that you know when there's something here for you. Okay, so many projects will start rolling out, maybe one for a week, maybe one for 2 weeks. It could be guided, it could be unguided, and it could be semi-guided projects. You'll be getting all of those right here. Of course, links to some certification programs that are free will also be shared here for you. And yes, that's not all, there's still more. Okay, and one other thing, or some other things you'll be getting, are also job openings. If there are job opportunities out there, we will be posting them here for you as much as you want, so you don't just, you keep applying, you get tips, you get hints so on what you want to do. So consider this again an open mentorship, right? So you have a hand walking the journey with you, so that you don't get tired, you don't get discouraged on your own, you don't just back down, because data is the future. Okay, yeah, don't come at me, but I know what I'm saying. I mean, the world runs on data, and it is one of the career path that, even for every improvement, think of it this way: for every improvement that comes, for every innovation, it's usually as not always, but sometimes, an analysis of past data. Okay, we did it this way the last time, I don't know, what about we do it this way? Data is a field that it's here to stay. Okay, so it is a long journey, the opportunities are out there, you have to just stay lit. Now, what else do you get? For example, you also get programs. For example, this is an open training by Academy in the city of Lagos. It was posted here as well. Projects will be posted, job opportunities will be posted, and a lot more. Okay, so of course you also be getting interview prep, so you can go through this, the plan for the channel, so you can go through it. Of course, it might not be followed, and of course, you see there's something else there. You have to check it out yourself. Okay, so, and might not be follow consistency, but you'll be getting most of these, maybe webinars and lots more. Prep, interview preps, you'll be getting maybe ideas on how to optimize your CV, what to do, resources to use to make things faster and better for you. So if all of this sounds like something you've been waiting for, then check the description in this video, or the description section of this video. Okay, just check the description below and you'll find the link to all of this, to the channel and to the TDA Connect, because automatically this is connected to this. So yes, you're welcome again on board. Welcome to the community of data enthusiasts and professionals.